Hello everyone, I greet you today. In this video, I am going to take you through this simple application called the document generator. I'm going to use this system to generate a ticket and automate it. This system can be used to generate certificate, badges, tickets, all kinds of document. If you have your design, you have a list of things you need to run on the design, then you need this particular system. Very simple and easy to use. Let's get going. Now I have this. Let me open the sidebar. Okay. If you want to use it, you can, buy a pass, then you get access to it. First, I need to upload my document. So I click on choose file. This one, I'm going to generate a ticket. Okay. I select the ticket, then I run it. Now the ticket will be placed on the canvas space. This shouldn't be how it should look like. So I need to make sure I get the exact file size. All I need to do is just to click on use template size. It's going to use the same size of the template you uploaded. I click on this one and it picks the template size. I can use this one to minimize so that you can see how the puzzle will look good. The next thing is to run my data. Data has to be in Excel or CSV file. Whether it's image or whatever you want to run on your document has to be in Excel or CSV file. So you have a list of data you want to run. Okay. This one, I want to put a QR code here. And I've generated a QR code on a platform and I want to run it here automatically so that all the QR codes will be generated on the ticket for me. They are not the same QR code. I click on choose file. The next thing is for me to find so this is the ticket QR code. So I click on that when I click on open. Now it's going to load the data onto my ticket. So these are the data. Okay. Now this is the ticket reference. I will just minimize it like this. Very small like this. Then I can just drag and bring it somewhere here. I can put it on top over here, somewhere here. Okay. Now the next one is I don't need this one. So I'll only come here and delete that. So I don't need this. Now I need this. This is the real QR code. Okay, this is the real QR code. So all I need to do is just to close it like this, bring it here. Then I'll come and look for that part. So this is it. I click on column text and change it to image URL. Now it is going to generate the QR code or show the QR code itself. All I need to do is just to bring the QR code here into the square and minimize it a bit. Okay, so that it will be fit. Now I can just click on guys should be off. I have it like this. Very simple. I can change this color, okay, to be black. So it will be able to, match with the color. Good. Now this is it. I can just increase it for you to see how it looks like. Very perfect. I can bring the guidelines. Then I increase it a bit. Okay, good. This is it. Very perfect. Then I close off the guideline. Now I have added the QR code to the ticket. All I need to do is to generate the rest. Now I come down here. You see this button here, build thumbnails. I click on it, then it's going to build 100 thumbnails for me. Very simple and very fast. So quick, we are done. Now our tickets are generated. 100 tickets are generated. Every ticket is having its own unique identity. All I need to do is now to click use real rules. The next thing I have to do after generating this is just to come here. Okay. Now I come to arrange sheet on PDF. Now, how do I want to arrange this? Okay. I can choose to do it So this one is 3. So I can choose to make it 2. So 2 columns. Okay, 2 columns like this. Good. Now A4, let me say 2 columns. Now make here to be 4. So 4, 2 columns. So it's going to be like this. You see how it works. I make it 5. That one to will be like this. Good. And if I want it to be 4, but then the column should be 1, that one too is going to be like this. You get it? Then the margin, let's say the margin, of course, okay, so that's how is going to be. Okay, it has been arranged very nicely, okay, very nicely. All I need to do is the guy should be off, use real rows, show grid lines should be off. Okay, now the ticket has been arranged on A4. We need to go and print this. So how do we do that? All I need to do is just to click on download sheet PDF. Then it will be downloaded. Done. Let me open it for you to see. Good. Now this is it. You just send this to the printing press, you download it, you sell it. Now the QR code here is what will be used to verify the ticket when the person comes. If you even bring a ticket with this QR code and we scan and you have not paid, the system will tell us that this ticket has not been paid. Those who would be issuing the ticket will also have a system where they will record every ticket. They will just scan and record whom they sold the ticket to and who sold it. And that will make sure it identifies it on the system. That is how we do it. If you want a system to manage your ticket sale, you're organizing an event, you want a proper badge with a proper QR code that is identifiable and identifies everybody uniquely, then you need to use our document generator. If you find it difficult, just get in touch with us and we can take you through. See you in the next video.